Hello everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. In this video, we discuss introduction of list. Okay, so in this video we discuss the different function of. Okay, now first we make a list of. Suppose I make a list of name. Okay, let's see. I'm writing Raj. Okay, um, sorry, Mohan. Okay, and so on. So this is our. Okay, now let's print our list. So I'm writing print name. Okay, let's run this code. So we get the list of our name, right? So here you can see Raj Mohan. So we can also add number in our list. Suppose I'm adding 24 and 89. Okay, now run this code. You can see here 24 and 89. Okay, so this is list of string and integer, right? Now if we want to get value at some index, okay, let's suppose we want the value at index 3. Okay, so we simply write print name at index what, second. So here at second index we get so on. Okay, so prints so on. Let's see, so here it prints so on. Okay, so now you know how we print list and how we print at some index, right? Now I'm comment this. Now I'm making a list of days. Okay, so let's suppose list of numbers. Okay, I'm making a list of numbers. Let's suppose any number, 2. Okay, 3, 5 to 4, 34. Okay, so this is my number. This is list of number integers. Okay, now 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 first how to sort this list. So for sort this list using sort function, I'm simply using sort function. This will be given to sort this function. Okay, so now print this. Now print by num. Okay, now what will we print? We get 2, 3, 23, 34, and 5 to 4. Now you see will be sort. Okay, so if you using sort function, give me will give me the sort. Okay, so now talking about what. Now suppose I have to divert this function. Okay, simply I'm writing num dot reverse. First we doing sort, then we doing reverse. Okay, now see, now we get the reverse problem. Okay, right. Now you know how we sort this function. Now we reverse this function. Okay, now we have to add something in our list. Okay, so comment this. Now we have to add something in our list. So let's suppose num dot, we are using append function to add something in our list. Suppose we are adding 23. Okay, 25. Now and after that we print our function. I'm printing. Now run this. So we get 2, 3, 5, 2. So here you can see 25 add in this list, right? Now we have to add. Let's suppose I'm add something. Now I'm add something what? Just write add 67. Okay, so you can see also here 67 add in the last of the list, right? So I'm removing some data from here. Now the list contain 2, let's suppose 5 and 23. Okay, now we are adding 25 and 67. So let's see, the size of the list is 5. Also I'm print size of my list. How we get the size? We get the size by length of num. Okay, so the size of this is 5. Okay, now see 5. Okay, so we get the size of the list, right? Now we have to add something in some index. Okay, add some index. Let's suppose I want to add something at my first index. So we simply write num dot insert. We are using insert function. Add something, add some index. Okay, so we have to add at index 1. I'm writing 1, but we have to add, let's suppose 45. Okay, so now after that, and print our num, and now I'm comment this. Now see, so here at index 1 we get 45. Okay, you see this 45. Now let's suppose we have to find minimum value of this. Okay, so let's suppose now I'm writing int minimum of this list, minimum of num. What is the minimum of this list? 2. Okay, let's run figure 2, right? Now let's suppose if we want to get maximum value. Okay, so now maximum of the list. Okay, so I'm writing num maximum of num. So we get what? We get the maximum value, that is 67. Okay, now run this and no problem. Okay, now we have to print maximum of this list. Okay, so what is the maximum value of this list? I'm writing maximum of num. Maximum of this list is 67, right? So we get 67. Let's run this and we get 67 maximum, right? Now print this. Okay, now we have to remove something from our list, right? So we simply write num dot remove any object. Let's suppose we have to remove 23 from our list. Okay, now if we run this, so no problem. Okay. And this is, oh, we have to print this now. So now we print this. Now run this again. Now after that 23 is removed from our list, right? Also we suppose if you have to remove num dot remove what? Remove 5. Okay, so remove 5. Let's run this. Now it will remove 5. Okay, let's suppose if we have to remove any function at some index, so we simply write what? Let's suppose we have to remove 2, so it is at 0 index. I'm writing num at 0 index. Here we get the value remove, so 2 will be removed. Now run this, so 2 will be removed. Okay, now so now you know how to add something in our list, then how to add at index. Okay, and after that we know how to calculate minimum and maximum value of the list. Okay, so now last one, now we are using pop function. Okay, what is pop? So if you are using pop function, then it will be remove the last object, the last item. Okay, last element. Now if you are using pop, so print num. So before pop function value is 45, 5, 25 and 67. After that 67 will be removed. 67 will be removed. Okay, so I hope you get all of this, how we using this function. Okay, so try it by yourself. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.